Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing great, and this channel has been abandoned since so long because I was not in a state to vlog, and so I'm back with another vlog. I don't know, this is a random vlog. So yeah, people told me, like my cousin basically told me to start vlogging because she loves my vlogs. So that's why I'm here vlogging it out for you all, for her. So let's see. Okay, so right now I am taking tuitions of these two guys, my neighbors, and I have to clear this up. I have to do this thing because I've been told to do so. So I'll do this thing and then I'll meet you. Then let's see what I'll do because तो जो चीज़ मैं आप लोग को बता रही थी वो है कि अभी लेटेस्ट में मैंने एक सॉन्ग किया था, सॉन्ग एज इन बैकग्राउंड जूनियर आर्टिस्ट। तो उसका सॉन्ग आ चुका है, तो मैं वही देखने वाली थी। तो मैंने सोचा कि आप लोग को भी बता दूँ कि दैट द सॉन्ग इज़ आउट, यू गाइज कैन ऑल्सो वॉच इट। लेट मी शो यू वेयर एम आई। That's me, guys. That's me. Let's see. हाँ, तो this was the song and the song name is the song name is it's दीदी तेरो देवर न्यू कुमावनी सॉन्ग। तो मैं किचन में आई हूँ और मेरे को ये दिखे हैं बिस्किट्स, जो कि मैं ऑब्वियसली खा नहीं सकती हूँ क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली आई एम ग्लूटेन एलर्जिक, राइट। तो और क्या देखा जाए गाइस। आई नो मेरे फेस की बैंड बज चुकी है, बट इग्नोर दैट, इसको भी ठीक करेंगे सून। लेट्स मेक lunch for everyone. First, we are gonna make the rice. Now we've kept the this thing rice in this thing because we do not do it in, like, I don't know, like we did not keep it in cooker because cooker is already engaged in some other stuff. Now the rice is kept already and we will be cooking dal. Add basic veggies. This is garlic and we'll add some onions for sure and some tomatoes, which you already know, right? Which dal we'll cook. This is, if you can see, this is arhar. I know the name, not like other girls. I know the name now of the pulses. So let's cook that in time lapse. हाँ जो पेट्स हैं उनका हम क्लीन करने वाले हैं। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदे बच्चे हैं, इनको पहले हम पेटी में डालेंगे। I gotta clean and I gotta clean this thing, the mess they have made here. This is the mess they have made. This is the clean tray. Now this gonna go inside and maybe, I guess, सीटी भी आ चुकी है। Guys, these are the cuties, my cuties. So I made the this the lunch, but I can't have it right now because I need to leave for my dance class. I'm literally late, so I need to rush now, and I'll meet you there.
देखिए 5 अलग था तकिट सॉरी एक तकिट एक दो तकिट एक दो तीन तकिट एक दो तीन चार तकिट एक दो तीन चार पाँच तकिट था पाँच तकिट था पाँच एक दो.
Just came back from my dance academy, and I received some parcel. Let's unbox this, and then I'll have my lunch. Basically it's 3:41 right now, so we'll have it right now, but before that we'll unbox this. Actually these are the stickers which I ordered because I wanted to change the back thing of my room. This basically is not my room, so I'll show you soon, and let's see how it will come. Well, I wanted to change the theme. I wanted to go for something pink and stuff because right now the theme I have is forestry something. Whoa. Well, I can mix them up. These nice. Actually these are good quotes, right? The decider of my destiny, I make the dreams into reality. Next we have everything works in my favor and good things are coming. I radiate gorgeous energy. And the last one we have is, it's a angel number which is 555 and says change, something new is coming. So these are my all stickers which will soon, but they haven't given any glue drops or anything to stick them. How will I stick them? Let's figure out that later on, but before that we have our lunch because I'm hungry as hell. So let's go to eat the food. When we'll paste, and well, I'll make another vlog of my room when I'll change it. When I'll change the stickers, I'll make the not room tour, but the room transformation thing, because it won't be a transformation, it will be just a change of like the stickers only, and few more changes in my room. Let's see how it goes, and then I'll show you. While coming back from the dance class, I bought curd, because without curd I do not like eating anything like the misses or like the dal thing. I do not like without dahi, and past few days I'm eating with lassi and this curd. By me.
ये क्या है बेटा? ये दक्षिणा आपकी 500 है. इसकी क्या जरूरत थी बेटा? नारियल का पेड़ मिल गया. दया भाभी ने मन्नत लिया है तो वो पूरा तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना. और फिर कोशिश कर. मैं जेठालाल को फोन लगाता है. ये रुपए का फोन. हाँ ये रुपए. अरे जेठालाल तुम्हारे क्या करमर कर रोड. हाँ करमर कर रोड है. चढ़ करमर रोड नहीं है कोई. अरे चढ़ पेड़े पत्ता चल गया ना. पूछो करमर कर रोड पे कहाँ है. मैं जानता हूँ.
Also, quick update. Right now I got a call from my brother basically. So he says, I'm coming to your place. There are specifications that he mentioned that he doesn't want sugar, so he wants a sugar-free coffee. I've got Indian coffee, and the kitchen's a mess right now. I gotta clean the utensils also. I gotta do a lot of things, right? Also, I was thinking to get my gluten flour, but now when he's coming, so I don't think so he'll be like going by. It's 4:30 right now, and I don't know. Hey, do we use water in the coffee? Do we use? I don't think so. Divyanshi, how is coffee made? How is coffee made? Do we add water? The famous. He's here, I guess, but I've not bought the milk yet. I need to go. गाइस हमारे घर पे दूध नहीं है, सो अभी मैं दूध लेने जा रही हूँ. दूध. There is no milk here. Yes, I have it. तो मैं इनको बस कंपनी भी नहीं दूंगी मैं इनको. दैट दे हैव ऑर्डर्ड. गाइस ये पता नहीं क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. अभी हम लोग वहाँ से निकले हैं और क्या डिस्कशन चल रहा है.
हाँ मैंने परसों खाए थे, मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छे लगे.
हाउ वी केम.
चलिए शुक्रिया जल्दी यार.
We've reached to her place जहाँ पे we gonna drop her, but our other two साथी are not there. We're calling them. You calling them? Yes. Where is it? You're not calling? Call them. Okay, we've seen them. They are there. They've reached. Another stop, guys. That's me.